Good morning, students. Now in the chapter number 2. Now the yesterday we have seen to recognize how to recognize cash transaction or credit transaction. Now today the most important, very important part of accountancy, that is types of accounts, that is given in your textbook on page number 31, right? Now types of accounts. नाउ हम अकाउंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, कैश एंड क्रेडिट ट्रांजेक्शन हमने रिकॉग्नाइज करना सीख लिया है. नाउ इन द अकाउंटेंसी फॉर अ ट्रांजेक्शन वी हैव टू पास इफेक्ट्स, टू इफेक्ट्स. So how we pass that two effects, that will be based on these types of accounts. Now types of accounts means there are mainly two types of accounts, personal account and impersonal account. Personal accounts means the accounts which includes personality, name of the personality, that is called as personal account. जिसमें persons के name affect करे वो personal account. Now personal account includes natural personality and artificial personality. Natural personality means human beings जैसे हम, and artificial personality that means the personality which is created by law. That means name of the business, name of the shop, right? They are called as artificial personality created by law. So for example, here Hetal's account is given, Mr. Patel's account, LIC that means Life Insurance Corporation, Paramedical Store, Ravi Provision Store, Shah Brothers, इन सब में नेम ऑफ द पर्सन्स दिए हैं. फर्स्ट टू आर दे आर नेचुरल पर्सनालिटी एंड अदर्स आर आर्टिफिशियल पर्सनालिटी, राइट. बट ये सारे हम पर्सनल अकाउंट में इंक्लूड करेंगे. समझ में आ रहा है? टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट इन दैट फर्स्ट वन टाइप दैट इज़ पर्सनल अकाउंट. पर्सनल अकाउंट मीन्स जिस नेम ऑफ द पर्सन दिया हो तो वो पर्सनल अकाउंट, राइट. सो personal account includes natural personality and artificial personality. Natural personality means human being and artificial personality means ये business के names, shops के names, all they are artificial personality. Now impersonal account. Impersonal account includes two types, real account and nominal account. वैसे तीन टाइप के अकाउंट हम बोलेंगे, पर्सनल अकाउंट, रियल अकाउंट एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट, right? There are three accounts, there are three types of accounts in the accountancy: personal, real and nominal. Now real account includes the real things which we can see, which we can touch, so real account, right? तो real account में हम, there are two types are included: goods account and asset account. Goods account includes purchase, sales, गुड्स बर्न बाय फायर, गुड्स गॉन बाय थेफ्ट, गुड्स गॉन गिवन फॉर डोनेशन, राइट. तो ये गुड्स अकाउंट रियल है, हम देख सकते हैं, हम टच कर सकते हैं. गुड्स, स्टॉक एंड एसेट, अगर ये वाले सारे नाम आए ट्रांजैक्शन में तो हम रियल अकाउंट में इंक्लूड करेंगे. जैसे फर्नीचर, मशीनरी, इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हीकल, ऑल टेंजिबल एंड इनटेंजिबल एसेट्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज रियल अकाउंट, राइट. Now the third type, that is nominal account. Nominal account includes income received. Nominal account includes all the expenses and income account. Nominal account includes income accounts and expenses account. Income means cash or check which we received, that is called as income, and cash or check that we paid, that is called as expenses, राइट. तो ये दोनों आए, जैसे इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड, डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड, ब्रोकरेज रिसीव्ड, तो नॉमिनल अकाउंट में हम उसको डालेंगे. देन वेजेस पेड, सैलरी पेड, पोस्टेज पेड, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंस पेड, कुछ भी पेड करे आइदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कैश और चेक, सो दैट वी इंक्लूड इन द नॉमिनल अकाउंट, राइट. So there are mainly three types of accounts: personal account, real account and nominal account. Personal account relating to personality, name of the personality, It includes natural personality and artificial personality. A real account includes relating to goods and assets, right? Goods वाला and asset वाला कुछ भी अगर ट्रांजेक्शन में दिया हो, that we include in the real account. And if we pay or receive cash or check, so that we include in the nominal account, right? So there are types of accounts. There are three types of accounts: personal, real and nominal. Understand this properly, read from the textbook also, learn this chart also, right? Your today's homework is write down this chart along with this illustration in your notebook. So that is your homework today, right? Okay. So today I am finishing over here only, because I want you to read this point